When received raw materials from suppliers, after checking the quality and accuracy, what you need to do next is to move them to the warehouse. There are three key processes in warehousing management, that is, warehousing, inventory tracking, and distributing. And our Smart Warehousing Cloud helps streamline your warehouse operation, reduce the cost, and increase your working efficiency. The RFID label makes auto-registration and real-time inventory tracking possible. Quick and responsive action can be taken accordingly. Compared with the traditional way of manually recording, scanning, and stock taking, no labor is involved in the RFID-applied warehousing system, and the machine will do the accurate calculation. Machine replaces the labor to supervise warehousing and distribution and track the inventory. It allows you make a quick decision to improve the turnover based on the analysis of warehousing and distributing data. Create more value with CFM's Smart Warehousing Cloud.